Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla side mirror. This is a straightforward repair that you can do yourself with a few common tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Having these items ready will make the entire process much smoother and quicker. Let's get started by preparing your workspace and gathering everything you need for a successful replacement. First, gently pry off the small plastic trim piece located on the inside of the door, opposite the mirror. This usually reveals 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Next, you will need to carefully remove the main interior door panel to access the mirror's electrical connector. Once the panel is loose, locate and disconnect the wiring harness that powers the mirror's adjustments and any integrated turn signals. Then, unbolt the old mirror from the door frame. Now take your new side mirror and carefully position it onto the door frame, aligning the mounting holes. Insert and hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts to hold it in place. Once aligned, use your 10mm socket wrench to fully tighten these bolts, ensuring the mirror is securely fastened. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, making sure it clicks firmly into place. This step is crucial for power adjustments. With the new mirror installed and wired, it is time to reassemble the door. Carefully reattach the main interior door panel, ensuring all clips align and snap back into place. Then, secure the small plastic trim piece over the mirror bolts. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all the mirror's functions. Check the power adjustments for up, down, left, and right movements, and verify any integrated turn signals are working correctly. This ensures a complete and successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.